Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I want to share you a quote that really touched me, and I hope it's going to touch you as well, wherever you are, and maybe it's going to impact something in your life or in anything you're undergoing. And my quote is saying, Your worth is not measured in likes, comments, notes, or followers, but in your ability to love. Keep comments to yourself. Take note and lead. Yeah? Your worth is not measured in likes, comments, or followers, right? But in your ability to love. Your worth is measured in your ability to love. Keep comments to yourself. Keep comments to yourself. Take note and lead. I want to encourage you once again and tell you, just because somebody commented something really bad about you and something really discouraging about you, you don't have to stop what you're doing. You don't have to give up, because your worth is not measured in their likes, their comments, or followers. It's measured in your ability to love. Keep comments to yourself. Keep them to yourself. Take note and lead. Continue with your journey. You don't have to be discouraged about something comment just because somebody didn't like your shoes, just because somebody dismissed your character, just because somebody said something bad about your family, just because somebody talked bad about you. You don't have to give up in life. That's just a comment. That's not the end of it all. After all, people will always talk, always. Whether you do it right, whether you do it wrong, whether you do nothing, people will always have something to comment, something to talk about, and something to always say. So, if you measure your worth from people's comments, from people's likes, I'm telling you, you will lose. You will lose in life. You will just forget what you are doing and start following. Just because somebody is going to shop in H&M does not mean everybody should go to H&M. Just because somebody is going to shop in Zara does not mean you should also go to shop in Zara. Just because somebody is wearing this shoe or the bag from Michael Kors, the watch from Gucci does not mean you also should do that. Just because somebody did not like your handbag, your watch and stuff, my friend, ladies, don't measure your worth with people's comments, likes. All that is nonsense. Follow your path. Go and shop in Kick. Go shop in, I don't know, K&L. Go and shop in the cheapest stores you can ever imagine. Those cheapest, the ones that people even don't go. People talk about, people who dismiss those shops. Go shop there. Go shop there because you are going your own direction. Take a lead and follow your heart. Don't do something because somebody told you, hey, let's do this. Hey, it's not done like this, it's done like this because I had so and so do it like this, so we all do it like that. Prove to those people you can do it in a very different way and in a better and a smarter way. You don't have to do what other people are doing. You are responsible for your own self. Wherever somebody is telling you, wherever somebody is commenting, that has nothing to do with your life. You know your pocket, you know your life, you know what you need, you know what you can afford. So why do you have to follow people? Do you know what they have in their pockets? Do you know how much money they get from their parents? Do you know how much money they get from their boyfriends, from their husbands, and from the rest? Do you know how much money they earn? So you want to follow them? Go buying those expensive things just because you had them saying, hey, I go shop there and I don't like this thing, so I would. Ladies or others out there, think about that. Think about what you're doing. Are you doing that to please other people? Are you doing that to please yourself? Remember, you are doing that for yourself, for you, not for the other person, not for the other people. You are doing it for yourself. Say, me, I'm doing this for myself because I want to make myself happy, not to make the society happy. The fact that you are not happy with yourself, how do you want to make the society happy? How? Just because you follow the majority? It does not work like that. Change. Okay? Change and stop following comments. Stop following the likes of other people. Don't go for followers. Take your own path. Take the risk and take a lead. Keep the comments for yourself and go. Okay? Do it for your own happiness, for your heart, your beautiful heart. Say you love yourself. There's nothing wrong with loving yourself. You can always love yourself as much as you can. Okay? So stop following the majority. Take that courage, stand up, hold your shoulders high, and go. Take a lead, go. Because you are unique in your own way, and you can do it in a better way and in a better and smarter way. Okay? Think about it. Bye.